Good evening everyone, my name is Karthik. Our today topic is accessing items in a list in Python. Okay, so we can access the elements of a list by using index, similar to accessing the individual characters of a string. Unlike string here, unlike string, lists are mutable. We can modify the list, change the items, add items and reassign an item. The following operations can be performed on the list: modify or reassign an item present at a particular index, add an item to the list at a particular index, remove an item from the list. Consider a list characters equals to a comma b comma c comma d. The code to change the item at third index from d to xyz is as follow: characters equals to this list a b c d. So characters at index third, we are here we update the वैल्यू एट दी थर्ड इंडेक्स. ठीक है, तो करेक्टर एट थर्ड इंडेक्स एक्स वाई जेड, तो प्रिंट करेक्टर्स, तो विल प्रिंट आउटपुट एज फॉलोज. आउटपुट विल बी ए बी सी एंड एट थर्ड इंडेक्स विल बी प्रिंटिंग एक्स वाई जेड नॉट डी. ठीक है, बिकॉज इंडेक्सिंग इज ऑलवेज स्टार्ट फ्रॉम जीरो. सो हेयर 0 1 2 3 एट 3 देयर विल बी प्रिंटिंग एक्स वाई जेड. ट्राइंग टू एक्सेस एन इंडेक्स दैट डज नॉट exist in a list result in an error called index error. Okay, here character equals to a b c d. This is another list at index 4. We are updating the index 4 value to a b c d, but in the list there is no fourth index because last index is 3, because a at 0 index, b at 1 index, c at third and c at 2 and d at 4. Sorry, a at 0, b at 1, c at 2 and d at 3. There is no fourth index. Okay, so output will be error. Add an item to the list. The append method is used to add items to a list. We use append method to add items to the list. ठीक है, तो there is a list chars characters equals to a b c d, characters dot append a b c d, print characters. तो output will be a b c d and last we append the a b c d, so the output will be a b c d comma a b c d. ठीक है, characters equals to a b c d, characters dot append e and f. This will append the list ef as the last item to the character list. Print characters a b c d, and there is a list inside another list will be printed because it will give us this. So a b c d and the another list means nested list ef is also added. The above program shows that if a list is passed to append method, it will append the entire list as a single item to the list, adding items of a list as individual items of another list. The extend method is used to add items of one list to be added as individual items of another list. Characters equals to a b c d and another list will be list 2 1 2 3. Characters dot extend list 2, print characters will be print output as follow. Output will be a b c d 1 2 3. Extend method is used to add the another list to one list. Okay, next will be understanding list slicing. List slicing extracts a subset of elements from a list to create a new list. The syntax for list slicing is like list name start stop, list name start stop step. ठीक है, means always indexing starts from 0, stop at n minus 1. If we use this ratio sign, it prints the whole list. If we use 2 ratio 2, it's create a empty slice. Let's consider the example a equals to list 9 8 7 6 5 4 and observe the following examples. So here here we doing slicing. Okay, so here a 0 ratio 3. ठीक है, so start from 0 means a means 9, 0 means 9, 0 to 3, 0 1 2 मतलब थ्री वैल्यू लेनी है हमें, ठीक है। तो 9 8 7, 9 8 एंड 7 प्रिंट्स अ पार्ट of the list from index 0 to 2. Next will be a ratio 4. So 9 8 7 6. Default start value is 0. Prints the value from index 0 to 3. A 1 ratio. So example 8 7 6 5 4. Print values from index 1 onwards. A ratio prints the entire list. 9 8 7 6 5 4 prints the entire list. A 2 ratio 2 print the empty list, empty slice. A 0 ratio 6 ratio 2, 0 will be start, 6 will be stop and 2 will be step. So 9 7 and 5 will be the output. Slicing list values with step size 2. We skip a step in between this, like 9, then we skip 8, then print 7, then we skip 6, then print 5. A ratio minus 1. So 4 5 6 7 8 9 prints the list in reverse order. A minus 3 ratio 6 5 4 prints the last 3 items in the list. A ratio minus 3 9 8 7 prints all except the last 3 items in a list. Using map and list to convert input, we can take input from the user as a string. Example, this Python treats it as a single string. To convert this string into a list of integer, we use map and list methods, or we can functions. List, map, function, comma, iterable. Function, a function applied to each item of the iterable. Iterable, the data you want to transform like a string or list. List converts the map object to a list. Example, input underscore str equals to 3 4 5 6 7 8 numbers equals to list, then parenthesis map, then parenthesis int means integer, comma this variable dot split. Okay, print numbers. Example, input underscore str dot split the string by space. Here we use this space. Okay, so it 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 6 comma 7 comma 8. Map and int converts each string to an integer. List converts the map object to a list of integers. The output will be 3 4 5 6 7 8. It converts this to a list. First it add these values to a square bracket and applied comma. Thank you.